the wings of fate. Gained its strength, the peahen learned to hop again, and the parrot, whom he named Mithu, began to Forest officials left, Arjun stood in silence, his heart aching. But deep down, he knew he had done what was right. He had given them a second chance at life. A week later, he visited a nearby wildlife center where the officials had promised to take the birds. To his relief, he saw Mithu chirping among other parrots. And the peahen, though still recovering, was safe. That day, Arjun realized that kindness doesn't always mean possession. Sometimes, the greatest love is letting go.